Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Telegram video problem on settings. We will click here on settings, then we come here to settings window and we will just go down here. We will click here on apps, then we will come here to apps window and we will just go down here to looking for Twitter Telegram app here, and this is window. We will go to found Telegram app and we will click here on Telegram, then we come here to this is window like you say. We will click here on for stop and we will click here on OK and we will click here on storage. Then we come here to storage window. We will click here on clear cache. Then we will click here on minute storage and you just go to Play Store and update your Telegram app and it's going to work with you. So that's all now. I wish you all get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.